Hi, this is section 2 of the C1 Compass certification class. In this section we're going to talk about what the class goes over, basic programming, how certification opens up the download link, and then we're going to take a look at the suite of applications that you get with the download, and then what's available to you online after you're done with this class. Now, as we said earlier, the C1 certification class is for very basic Navigator programming. We're going to take a look at the programming interface, understand the steps needed to create a basic project, a simple project. In this case, we're going to do a one-zone project. We're going to take a look at IntelliBuilder and see it in operations. Now, once that's done, you can go ahead and download, once you're certified, you can download Navigator. You're going to get all the parts of it. I recommend that you download the programming manual itself and then build a basic project using the programming steps. Upload the project to the server, download it into an iPad, and then go ahead and follow up with the C2 and C3 level classes. In addition, once you get the software, once you download Navigator, take the rest of the C1 level classes. And there's 4 of them. There's one on the device manager, one on each of the 3 database managers. So once you're certified, it's going to open up the link so that you can go ahead and under download and software and apps, you're going to go ahead and download Compass Navigator, and it will begin the download process. It's going to load 5 applications. You've got Navigator, the device manager, and then the 3 database managers. And it's going to create shortcut icons on your desktop for each one of these, as well as creating a folder, Key Digital and Compass Control folder, inside of your computer under My Programs. Now, once you're certified, okay, you get in here and play with the software. And certification also automatically applies you for dealer authorization. Now, dealer authorization is what's required in order to be able to purchase and resell the Compass products. All right, so that's a process that gets done after certification through the sales department here. Once you're authorized, then you have the access to the registration pages so that you can go ahead and register an iPad, which then allows you to upload and download from the server. Now, the software suite, as I said, there are 5 different applications come with this. First of all, there's Compass Navigator. All right, it's proprietary PC editor programming software. It's a Windows format. There are some very powerful tools and very wide opening programming capability. We haven't restricted anything that can be done. We took a look at the iPad and said, what can this device do? And then we programmed the interface in order to allow you to do whatever you want within it. Again, some very advanced, powerful tools here. Besides Navigator, you get the MC2500 device manager and the 3 control library managers, one for IR library, one for the RS-232 database, and one for the IP database. There is a class on all 4 of those managers in C1 level, and we recommend that you take those. As part of Navigator, one of the tabs, one of the ribbons, is the programming ribbon. And this is a step-by-step programming process in order to learn the interface and be able to program a very basic file. So what else comes behind this then? Once you take the C1 certification class and pass it, now you can take the rest of the C1 level classes. Again, MC2500 device manager and the 3 database managers. And then there are C2 level classes, right? Talking about programming with the Key Digital Matrix Switcher, working with graphics, building action macros, and adding 2-way control of the Lutron Radio Raw 2 product. After that, you can go even deeper with C3 level classes, how to create large-scale video distribution projects and program them with multiple iDevices, developing and editing layout templates, and programming your own bidirectional drivers. These are all classes that you can take once you master your basic C1 level courses. So right after this, we're going to take a look at an overview of Navigator before getting into the programming.